Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the sleep and the rotor current frequency. Now, today, we will solve the problem that is a 6-pole 3-phase induction motor is connected to a 50 Hz supply. If it is running at 970 RPM, find the sleep. So here, the number of pole, that is P, is given, that is 6, and the motor, that is 3 phase, okay, is connected to a 50 hertz supply. So the supply frequency F equals to 50 hertz. Now we easily find the synchronous speed ns, that is 120 F by P. Here F equals to 50 hertz. So into 50 divided by number of pole is 6. So 1000, it is the synchronous speed, 1000 RPM, and it is also given that the 970 is the rotor speed, that is NR. NR is 970 RPM, and we know that sleep equals to ns minus nr divided by ns, and the percentage sleep, that is into 100. So now here ns is 1000 and nr, that is 970. So now the value will be 30 into 100 divided by 1000. So it will be 3. So the percentage of sleep, that is 3%. Okay. So it is very easy to find the percentage sleep. Now we discuss another problem. Now another problem, we can see that a 3-phase induction motor would for 4 poles. So here the number of poles P is 4, is connected and is supplied from the 50 Hz supply. So the supply frequency F is 50 Hz. Calculate the synchronous speed. So the number 1, that is the synchronous speed, will be ns equals to 120 F by P. So here the F, that is the supply frequency, that is 50 Hz, and the number of pole, that is 4. So the synchronous speed is 1500 RPM. Now the speed of the motor when sleep is 4%. So here the sleep is 4%, and ns, that is 1500, and we don't know the value of the nr, and ns is again 1500. So the value of the NR will be so here the value will be here into 100. So we'll simplify this problem, and it will be this like this. So it will be 60, and the value of the NR will be 1440 RPM. So it is the value of the NR. Now the third problem, that is the rotor current frequency when the motor runs at 600 RPM. Now so when NR equals to 600 RPM, so the slip will be S equals to percentage slip will be 1500 minus now the value of the slip, it will be, you can write it, that is 0.6. Now the rotor current frequency, we have to the rotor current frequency F dash will be S into F. So here S equals to 0.6 and the frequency, that is 50. So it is 30. So the rotor current frequency, that is 30 Hertz. So these are the some of the problem which is related to the slip and the rotor current frequency. I hope you understand this. So thank you.